Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shelly Banks, where on this channel I hope that you can withdraw something great from me and deposit into you. I want to give a special thanks to our servicemen and women, but I want to give a special thanks to the Marines. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the March BoxyLuxe. Yes, it has arrived super early. I didn't expect to be running these videos back to back or receiving my boxes back to back, but I'm glad that I did. If you go over to my channel, you will see that in my last video, I did a review on the February base box, which now I have the March BoxyLuxe. And if you want to see what I got in that box, stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is what the BoxyLuxe box is looking like, covering up the whole frame for the month of March. This is the box. It's a pretty good sized box. It's got some weight to it, so we're gonna get into it and see what I have in this box here. This is the card that came with it for the month. Lucky. You feeling lucky? Well, are ya? If you're a 90s kid, you will know where that line came from. Drop me a link, not a link. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you know where that line came from. Okay, so guys, this is one of the first things that I seen when I opened my box. It is from B Beauty. It is the eyeshadow palette. It's called Barbarella. This is what it looks like right here. It has these two lashes. Very pretty packaging. I love the packaging, guys. I did use this to get this look today. I will say the shadows are quite pigmented. I really like them. When you see this palette though, you'll be like, that is just like a neutral palette, and it has that pop of blue there, but the shimmers in this palette are really beautiful. So you guys can see I was able to come up with this look today, which I'm very pleased with. It says that it has some light reflective sheens with velvety finish, gorgeous golds, and some pretty pearls, frosted greens. And I will say that I actually am loving the colors in this eyeshadow palette so far. I usually do I would or I wouldn't in buying things, but I think I'm gonna try to keep that to the base box. I'm just gonna talk about these products today, and I'm gonna give you the MSRP for this, and it is $50. So yeah, $50. This is kind of just like a bonus box when you receive the BoxyLuxe. So I'm not really going to go into whether I would or wouldn't buy it, because I mean, I wouldn't, because these prices are like up there. These are a little bit more expensive in the base box, but again, $50 for the eyeshadow palette, which I do really like. The next thing that I have in my box are these cute little, and I did not take them out of the plastic. I will do that so you guys can see them. It is the Beauty Bakeries, which this is probably the second Beauty Bakeries item that I have received from BoxyCharm, and it is the blending eggs. Aren't these just like adorable? These are really cute. Like a little egg carton. I love Beauty Bakeries packaging. Take a strap on the side off. Come on now. Okay, so they're in this little carton that is so cute. And then there's these individually wrapped little beauty sponges, 3 pink and 3 green. They feel really soft. They really do. So 6 of those. Can't beat that when you need sponges. Let me try to find a price on this. These are $18 for these 6 sponges, so I think that's a pretty good deal. Next thing I have in my box is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. This is Deep Hydration and Glow, and you should use this. Let me see if it tells us. Before moisturizer, dispense 1 to 2 pumps and pat gently onto the face and neck. AM or PM. Now let me see if I'm gonna be able to get into this. Guys, I didn't even prepare for this one. Looking for something to get into this with. Let's see. Well, we're in there. Okay, so this is what it's looking like, the Glow recipe. And it has, it has this little squeeze bottle on top. Press it down and the serum will come out. I've heard people talking about the smell of this. I can't smell anything through there now. I'm not going to use that just yet because I have quite a few skin products open right now. And I don't really want to open that one if I'm not ready to use it. The MSRP on that is $42. Next product that I have is Kiss the Stars. It is 14 karat gold lip plumping mask. And I don't think this, no, this is not runny, so I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see that. And this is supposed to be a aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, vitamin E, vegan collagen, and peppermint flavor oil, biodegradable glitter. Smells very pepperminty. Stars, that is, you apply it on your lips as a mask, 3 to 5 minutes. Wash it off, and tingling sensation is normal, it says. It means it's working. I've never heard of this. I have never seen this before, but I'm all about soft lips. So I currently use, and y'all don't kill me because I'm Laneige. I don't know how you say it. I guess it's like potato, but I currently use this lip mask, and it is the bomb, and I love it. And if this outbeats that, then this is some good stuff. Okay. So let me tell you what the price of that is. It's $42 is the MSRP for that one. The next thing in my box is this Dominique Cosmetics Creamy Fill and Define Lip Liner in Crush. Yes, it's in Crush. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And I did use this on my lips today. And I don't know if you guys are even going to be able to see that color. It's like a very nude color. I just kind of lined my outer rim of my lips with a brown liner. And then I just filled in my lips with this right here. It's pretty smooth. Yeah, I do like it so far. This is my first time using it, and I'm grateful for that. Let's see, MSRP on that is $18 for that lip pencil. The next thing that I have is the this is Dew Froze Ice Rose Body Scrub. It says, blessed by a Buddhist monk to inspire pride and confidence. And you guys, I do not think I will be using this. As a matter of fact, I know that I won't, just because of the verbiage on here. It just isn't for me. I'm not about this life, because due of the gods, I believe in one only living and true God, which is Jesus the Christ. So I will not be using that. But I will tell you what the MSRP of it is. It is $22. Yeah, $22. The next thing that I received, and I have it upside down to you guys, is the Soleil Hair Tools. This is the mini heat brush in apricot. I'm assuming that apricot is the color. Y'all, I don't know about this thing right here. This is a little small, supposed to be a heat brush. I don't know. It's perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. Powerful, easy, full to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry anywhere. It says it glides through your hair, safe for all hair types. I don't know if this is supposed to straighten. It says it has a high temp. I don't really know. But I will have to test this out, because you guys can see that I have natural hair and I'm just rocking it right now. It's doing its own thing. But yeah, I'm going to give that a try. I'm going to read up on it first, because it does have a little pamphlet in here with some instructions and everything talking about this tool. So I want to read up on that, and then I'm going to give it a try. I'll let you guys know how that goes. The MSRP on that particular product is $150. Okay, guys? That's what I'm saying. It's like crazy, right? The last thing in my BoxyCharm Luxe box is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. And mine is in the color 420. Is the shade that I chose. I do already own this foundation, so I'm not gonna act like, you know, oh my gosh, I don't know how it works, if I like it, if I don't like it. I actually do love this foundation. I currently have it in the color 390, which is what I use. I really like that shade. I really love it in the summertime, but I don't know, these shades are kind of like, the spectrum is, I don't know, it's kind of wild, because I did put this foundation on today. And again, like I said, this is in the shade 420. And you guys tell me what you think, because 390 matches me pretty good. So 420, you know, it ain't doing too bad either. So I don't know, but here is it. This is it. Rather, here is it. This is it, and I'm really liking this shade as well. So maybe I'll use 390 in the winter, and I'll use the 420 in the summer. But I really do like this shade as well. And again, I like this foundation. The MSRP on this, they are saying, is $36, and that is true. Because sometimes I question BoxyCharm's MSRP. I'm gonna just be honest, because some of this stuff, the prices be, you know, they be way up there, and I'm just like, for this it be costing that. But pretty true. The total cost of this box for me was $49.99, and that is quarterly. We do receive the BoxyLuxe, and I think for that price, this is an exceptional box, because I have one product alone in here that has an MSRP of $150. So I mean, you can't beat that anywhere with a stick, a rod, or anything. So you guys, if you're interested in BoxyCharm, you can go to BoxyCharm.com. You can register, sign up, grab a box, you know, join the subscription. You can receive these products that I know that I wouldn't personally go out and buy, but I love the fact that I receive them every month and I get to try them and see, you know, maybe they will become one of my favorites or not. So guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys the next time. Let's come back and do it all over again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and be blessed. Bye, YouTube.